Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals, some wild animals, and some sea animals. Let's learn their names one for one. The first animal is the first one is a hippopotamus. A hippo is a wild animal. The next animal is alligator. Alligator is a wild animal. The next one is a zebra. A zebra. A zebra. The next one is gorilla. This is gorilla. Gorilla is a wild animal. The next one is a lion. This is a lion. A lion. This is a lion. The next animal is tiger. This is a tiger. A rhino. This is a rhino. Giraffe. This is giraffe. The next one is elephant. This is elephant.